Hello, in front of me I've got Chrome and Liberty. In this video I'll show you how to manage quests. In the beginning, let's go to menu and enter codex. You can also press J button. Right here we've got all quests for our adventure. These are main quests. We've got quests for each chapter we can play in the game. Enter current chapter, and here are the quests you've done and further quests you can do. Next we can go to collection, and here we've got the side quests for each place we can see in the game. In collection we've got books and letters we can encounter in game, and we can gather them. Also, you can see right here we've got the quest log with our current quests and mercenary contracts. You can also press H button to enter full quest list. In order to set quests as active, press start button next to it. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.